Assalamu alaikum, beautiful peoples. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. The model of the phone that you can see in my hand is OnePlus 9R. This phone model is OnePlus 9R. The problem with this phone, the back button of this phone and the menu button and home scroll button is not showing on this phone display. Now today I will show you how to fix it if the three button on your phone do not work. For this, you have to unlock the phone in your hand first. After unlocking the phone, I have find the option called settings from here. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and you can see settings option. When you can see settings option, then click on settings. Click on settings, you will see an option, button and gestures. Scroll down and you can see button and gestures option. Then after clicking on button and gestures option, you can see navigation bar and gestures. You can see navigation bar and gestures option. Then I will click on navigation bar and gestures option. After clicking on navigation bar and gestures option, you can see back button, home and recent options. Just click on it and show your phone back button, home button and recent button is now showing on this phone display, and your phone problem is now fully solved. So viewers, if you want to like this video, please subscribe my channel, and if you want to again hide this option, just click on sweep up gestures.